The winds of change are blowing our direction, promising an artificial intelligence-powered future as we stand on the cusp of a new age. It appears that 2050 will be a turning point in artificial intelligence history, bringing with it technologies that will fundamentally alter the way people interact, work, and live. This newsletter's theme is exciting changes ahead, as artificial intelligence becomes a central role in determining our shared future. Remember to like and give us a thumbs up so we can continue regularly uploading videos. Number 10. Artificial intelligence-driven healthcare revolution. Artificial intelligence is about to revolutionize health and well-being as it becomes a vital tool for the medical industry. By 2050, individualized treatment regimens, artificial intelligence, AI-assisted operations, and even predictive healthcare models that identify and stop diseases before they happen will all be possible. Number 9. Autonomous everything. Autonomous cars will be cruising the highways, the air, and the oceans. Artificial intelligence will guide us through a safer, more efficient world of transportation, minimizing accidents and maximizing journey time, from self-driving automobiles to unmanned aerial vehicles and autonomous ships. Number 8. Education reimagined. Artificial intelligence will become a personalized tutor, completely changing the traditional classroom. Adaptive learning technologies will meet individual student needs, creating a dynamic and interesting learning environment. Instructors will take on the role of mentors, helping students along their individual learning paths. Number 7. Artificial intelligence in the workplace. Intelligent automation will change the workplace's nature. Artificial intelligence will take over repetitive activities, freeing up human resources for more strategic and creative work. Collaboration between humans and artificial intelligence will become commonplace, boosting creativity and productivity. Number 6. Environmental stewardship with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence will be a potent weapon in the fight against global warming. Artificial intelligence will be essential to protecting our planet for future generations in a variety of ways, from enhanced climate modeling to sustainable resource management and precision agriculture. Number 5. Ethics and governance. Strong ethical frameworks and governance mechanisms will be essential as artificial intelligence becomes more pervasive in our daily lives. By 2050, a concentrated effort will ensure the ethical creation and use of artificial intelligence, safeguarding against prejudice, discrimination, and unforeseen repercussions. Number 4. Artificial intelligence in art and creativity. Get ready to be astounded as artificial intelligence goes beyond its utilitarian functions to become a genuine collaborator in the creative process. Artificial intelligence will work with human artists to create art, music, and even novels, stretching the limits of what we think is possible in terms of creative expression. Number 3. Artificial intelligence and big data. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a broad term for computational systems that can do specific jobs in place of human intelligence. Similar to the exponential rise of database technology in the late 20th century, this technology is currently developing at a dizzying pace. Databases are now the fundamental building blocks of enterprise-level applications. Similarly, it is anticipated that artificial intelligence will drive most of the new value added from software over the next decades, at least in part. Databases have changed dramatically over the past 10 years to accommodate the emerging phenomenon known as big data. This refers to the unparalleled global reach and magnitude of contemporary data sets, primarily sourced from the computer systems that now mediate almost every facet of daily existence. For instance, researchers upload about 400 hours of video footage to YouTube every minute. Brower 2015. For example, based only on the Facebook postings that an individual liked, researchers have taught computer models to detect an individual's personality traits more correctly than their friends. Artificial intelligence and big data have a unique connection. The majority of recent artificial intelligence developments are the result of machine learning. This technique uses large data sets to train artificial intelligence instead of providing a static set of instructions. For instance, we can train artificial intelligence chatbots on text recordings of human conversations gathered via messenger applications, which teaches them to comprehend human speech and provide relevant responses. Pandy 2018. It is possible to argue that big data serves as the raw material for artificial intelligence models and algorithms. Gathering and preserving copious amounts of data is not the primary impediment to innovation, rather identifying valuable patterns among them. Massive data sets include patterns that are invisible to human eyes but that artificial intelligence can identify. In this sense, commonplace and seemingly insignificant data might become valuable with the application of artificial intelligence technology. For example, based only on the Facebook postings that a person liked, researchers have taught computer models to predict a person's personality traits more correctly than their friends can. Wu, Kosinski, and Stilwell 2015. Number 2. Artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. There are news reports almost every day about a high-profile data breach or a cyber attack that resulted in damages worth millions of dollars. Cyber losses are hard to quantify, but the International Monetary Fund estimates that they cost the world's financial sector between $100 and $250 billion a year, Lagarde 2012. Additionally, as computers, mobile devices, servers, and smart gadgets become more and more commonplace, the overall threat exposure increases daily. Even though corporate and policy organizations are still having difficulty comprehending the significance of the cyber sphere, the use of artificial intelligence in cybersecurity is signaling even bigger changes. Automation of jobs that formerly required human intelligence is one of artificial intelligence's primary goals. Reducing the number of labor resources an organization uses to complete a project, or the time an individual spends on regular duties, can lead to significant increases in efficiency. For example, medical assistant artificial intelligence may diagnose diseases based on patient symptoms, while chatbots can handle customer service inquiries. We can label log lines of recorded activity from servers and network components as hostile or non-hostile, and use this data set to train an artificial intelligence system to classify future observations into one of those two classifications. This simplified illustration demonstrates the potential application of artificial intelligence in cyber defense. Subsequently, the system can function as an automated watchdog, distinguishing anomalous observations from the extensive ambient noise of typical activities. One of the main goals of artificial intelligence is to automate processes that formerly required human intellect, such as employing chatbots to answer customer care inquiries. This allows businesses to become much more efficient. This type of automated cyber defense is necessary to monitor the excessive volume of activity. Artificial intelligence has surpassed the complexity of hostile actor detection and defense. In the future, only artificial intelligence-powered systems will be able to handle the complexity and speed of cybersecurity environments. Regular retraining of these artificial intelligence models is critical, as hostile actors of all stripes use artificial intelligence not only to thwart assaults, but also to identify patterns and pinpoint vulnerabilities in potential targets. The current state of play can be described as a battlefield in which both sides are constantly plotting to outsmart each other and devising new attack or defense strategies. This battlefield is also constantly shifting. Spear phishing, a hacker's most potent tool, uses personal information about an intended target to customize a message specifically for them. A link relevant to the target's interests or an email seemingly from a friend are likely to evade detection. At the moment, this approach is highly labor-intensive, forcing the potential hacker to manually carry out an in-depth investigation on every target they have in mind. However, using data gathered from users' emails, tweets, and browser histories, and artificial intelligence similar to chatbots could automatically generate personalized messages for a large number of individuals, Brundage et al., 2018. In this fashion, a hostile actor might employ artificial intelligence to significantly expand the scope of their aggressive operations. Artificial intelligence can also automate the process of searching for software security holes, also known as zero-day vulnerabilities. Software developers can use artificial intelligence for malicious or legal purposes. Software developers may use artificial intelligence to identify security flaws in their products, akin to hackers searching for hidden operating system bugs. As hostile actors look for ways to take advantage of the specific flaws in the technology, artificial intelligence AI will not only strengthen current offensive and defensive tactics, but also create new fronts in the fight against cybercrime. IBID 17. Data poisoning is a new attack vector that hostile actors could use. Given that artificial intelligence AI learns from data, malicious actors may alter the training data set to give the artificial intelligence the ability to perform whatever they want. Adversarial examples could offer an additional fresh method of assault. Similar to optical illusions, adversarial examples manipulate input data, likely undetected by humans, with the aim of misleading the artificial intelligence's classification. Number 1. Enhance virtual and augmented reality. As artificial intelligence-driven virtual and augmented reality technologies advance to new heights, the distinction between the virtual and actual worlds will become increasingly hazy. Immersion-based learning will transform education, entertainment, and even interpersonal relationships. Artificial intelligence will bring very significant and revolutionary changes by 2050. They represent a change in the fundamental structure of our society, as well as technological breakthroughs. As we embark on this future journey, let's exercise caution, thoughtfulness, and cooperation to ensure that we harness the benefits of artificial intelligence for everyone's benefit. I appreciate you looking. Remember to subscribe and like our YouTube channel.